Ladies and gentlemen, what is going on? It's your boy T-Ray, aka Mr. Gaming Kicks, back in the building. You already know how we do, man. We're bringing you another sneaker video right now, man. And yo, man, we switching it up a little bit. We switching gears right now. I know y'all used to seeing the Jordan lows, we used to seeing dunks, we used to seeing all these other stuff. But yo, man, I'm bringing you a sneaker that's on the comeback, on the uprise. And you know what? I ain't even gonna say too much more about it. We're just gonna talk a little bit about these right here. All right. So yo, check it out. Who all remembers New Balances, right? Come on, man. Talk to me. You know you had a pair of New Balances. We all know you all had a pair of New Balances, right? All right, so check it out. We ended up running across these, and I think this is a hot sneaker. I'm glad I got them. The New Balance 550s. Red, black, and white edition. Listen, man. These sneakers here, legitly, is hot, man. On the uprise. I'm thinking about grabbing a few more pair, different colors, but we had to get the black, red, and white. There's a reason why we got black, red, and white. All right, first thing first, I'm a Georgia boy, you know what I mean? So that's what it's all about, man. It's all about them ATL boys, them Falcons, and them Georgia Bulldogs. All right, first thing first, don't start hating, all right? I see you, I'm watching, and don't be hating. All right, but no, real talk, man. So, yeah, man, these retail at $110. Which, like I said, is a pretty reasonable price. The sneaker is very comfortable. I already wore them just to see how they feel before I did a video on them, man. But they are comfortable as heck, man. So, like I said, we got the white sole trimming at the bottom. We got the black leather around the front, the white toe box, the white shoestrings, the red back with the black and white New Balance sign. They got these, I don't really know how to say what kind of material this is in the inside of it, but it's like it's not suede. I don't know how to describe it. But the material inside of it, man, the inside of the sneaker itself, man, the cushion on it is phenomenal. And like I said, we got the New Balance 550s right there as well, with the red and white bottom. Yeah, man, I don't know if, like I said, you all are New Balance fans, but at one point back in the days, Sauconys and stuff like that, man, I might be speaking my age right now, but Sauconys and things like that, hey, man, things was hot back in the days, man. I mean, like, going into the mall and getting them for like two for $100, two pair for $100. Like, you ain't finna find that no more. But yeah, man, definitely, these here for me is a winner. I truly recommend anybody that's looking for, like I said, a casual sneaker. It's legitly casual, comfortable. Now, I'm not saying it's anything you go out there and play some type of sports or anything like that, but just the most comfortable shoe. Like if you out on errands, I mean, I don't know, if you're going on a trip and it's somewhere you just walking, doing a lot of walking. Yo, these right here may be the sneaker you want to definitely put your feet in, because like I said, they are super comfortable, and like I said, and they don't look bad. I mean, just you tell me. I like the colorway itself. The white, black, and red for me is where it's at, because like I said, we are in Georgia and this is what we do in Georgia. But yeah, I'm looking to get a few more pair. Might be trying to find some white and blue ones, might try to find some white and green ones. I don't know, some different little colorways, but be on the lookout, because your boy is going to be bringing some New Balances to the channel as well. Like I say, we're not just doing Jordans, we're not just doing dunks, we're not just doing LeBrons, we're doing all sneakers. And if it fits, if it feels good on my foot, then I'm gonna make sure you all know about it so it can feel good on your foot as well. But yeah, man, all in all, you already know how we do in the channel. Definitely got to give you some images up close and personal with the sneaker as well. And yeah, man, if you ain't subscribed yet, man, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button as well, and see you in the next one.